The cobot is able to weld this part like 90% faster than a human can weld with TIG welding. The welding speed is actually 30 inches per minute in this video. This is around 5 times faster than TIG welding. TIG welding speeds being typically 5 to 8 inches per minute welding by hand. The welds are perfect because the cobot maintains its position in space and its travel speed perfectly. A human can't compete with the consistency of the cobot. The other thing is that the cobot does not fatigue or need a break. Experience shows that when robotics are introduced into a welding fabrication facility, that accuracy and repeatability of the processes upstream and downstream from the robot naturally improve. That said, the duty cycle of the cobot is in the range of 60% to 90%. That is to say that the cobot will typically keep an arc lit and welding 5 to 7 hours out of an 8-hour day, whereas a human being can typically keep an arc lit 15 to 25% duty cycle, which is about an hour and a half to 2 hours in a day. So for this box, which is 14 inches by 15 inches by 14 inches, having 10 stitch welds and all around corner weld on the top and 2 seam welds, there's 116 inches of weld. The cobot can make this on the average a box every 6 minutes, where it would take a TIG welder an hour and 15 minutes on average. You could put it another way, the cobot could weld 75 boxes in a day, whereas a man welding with TIG would put out about 5 boxes a day. So one final way to look at this is that a shop rate of $100 per hour, welding this by hand costs $130 for TIG welding versus about $11 for welding with the cobot.